For researchers, the reserves provide protected areas where scientists have access to sophisticated equipment and the freedom to conduct long-term research without concern that their experiments will be disturbed. Walt Koenig studies acorn woodpeckers at the Hastings Reserve in the Carmel Valley.
In order to do the kind of work we're interested in, we really need to have a lot of access to the land. We need to be able to go there any time, to be able to catch birds, because often we're catching them at pre-dawn, and doing just crazy things to try to figure out some particular problem or do some experiment.
Frank Davis and his colleagues study oak trees at the 5,900-acre Sedgwick Reserve in the Santa Ynez Valley near Santa Barbara. Their goal is to find out why California's classic oak woodlands are slowly disappearing from the landscape.
Perhaps the most distinctive thing about the work we're doing is that it is over a large area and over a long time period. When you study an organism that lives many centuries, a 1 or 2 year study isn't very informative. Just one other point about oak woodlands, most of them are privately owned. Roughly 90% of the oak woodlands, if you include valley oaks as well as blue oaks. And so actually getting access to places to conduct long-term controlled studies is not simple. And that's why a place like Sedgwick Reserve presents such a great opportunity for us.
Kevin Lafferty from the U.S. Geological Survey focuses his research on the ecology of California's remaining saltwater marshes.
We do our research at Coal Point and Carpinteria Salt Marsh, and as well as other estuaries up and down the coast. But one of the reasons we focus on the reserves is because we can do manipulative experiments there, and also because the systems are relatively intact.